Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Today's topic is home renovation tips to enhance house values. Hey there! Welcome to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Are you thinking about giving your house a little facelift? Or maybe you're prepping it to hit the house market? Either way, renovating your home is one of the smartest ways to boost its value while also making it way more enjoyable to live in. So today, I'm sharing some high-impact renovation tips that not only improve the look and feel of your space, but these home renovation tips can seriously increase your property value too. Let's jump into it. Tip number 1. Upgrade your curb appeal. This is your home's first impression, and trust me, it matters. A fresh coat of paint, a modern front door, maybe even some new siding, can completely change the vibe of your home from the outside. Maybe you can throw in some outdoor lightings, window shutters, and tidy landscaping. Now, as you can predict, we're talking about a serious curb appeal that grabs attention. Tip number 2, the kitchen. Yes, you heard it several times. Use the kitchen. The kitchen is still the heart of the home, and still the room buyers care about the most. You don't need to go all in with a luxury remodel. Even minor upgrades like new countertops, a modern faucet, or sleek cabinet handles can add a ton of value. And if you can swap out those old appliances for energy-efficient ones, it is double win. Tip number 3, bathroom upgrades. An outdated bathroom can drag down your whole house. Update your bathroom fixtures. Add in some energy-saving LED lighting. And if you've got the budget, think about adding double sinks vanity or a walk-in shower. It's not just about looking good. It's about making the space more modern and more functional. Tip number 4, energy-efficient upgrades. This is where long-term savings really shine. Things like a new heat pump, added insulation, or energy-efficient windows don't just save on bills. They're also a big selling point for eco-conscious buyers. Here is the bonus. There are often rebates or tax credits to help offset the costs. Tip number 5, add smart home features. Think smart thermostats, video doorbells, app-controlled lighting and security systems. These modern touches make life more convenient and give your home that tech-savvy edge that buyers are loving right now. Tip number 6, outdoor living spaces. If you've got a backyard, put it to work. A simple patio, a cozy fire pit, even a small deck or pergola can turn plain outdoor space into a bonus living area. Plus, it looks great from the house or kitchen windows. Tip number 7, home office space. Remote work is here to stay. So if you've got an unused guest room or even a nook in the living room, turning it into a dedicated workspace is a very smart move. It's one of the most in-demand features buyers are looking for right now. And tip number 8, finish that basement. An unfinished basement has untapped potential. Turn it into a cozy family room, a home gym, or even a guest suite. You're basically adding more livable square footage, which means a direct boost to your home's resale value. So, what are your final thoughts? Upgrading your home doesn't mean you have to tear it down and start over. But doing the right renovations can completely transform your space, while increasing your property's worth at the same time. So if you're planning a remodel, focus on what gives you the best return on investment and makes your home a place you love to live in. Which of these tips are you thinking about trying first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk renovation ideas. Design SK Studio channel is the place where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you out. See you in the next one.